Hey guys, it's Red here, and we're gonna do a hidden speaker prank. And Chance here's gonna hide it, and he's gonna play a song, and she's gonna try to find it and see what the song's doing. And I want to see what.
Not a song.
And I want to see what she's gonna end up doing. And I want to end up seeing what she's gonna do. Don't do that. Why? Too scary. And we're gonna do scary noises. Okay. I want to come back and I'm gonna hide it. Hide the phone.
I told you quit it now.
What am I doing?
Whatever you're doing, don't do it.
Do what?
I said whatever you're doing, don't do it.
Doing what?
Chance,
What's up, YouTube? I just watched a video of this guy.
get it out of here.
I was looking on the rails. So I'm not gonna top that. What are you guys doing? Turn your computers down, because this is gonna be loud as crap. Okay, so I step out.
Oh, you said it. We should leave it. Do you think we should leave it? Did you had it? Were y'all talking right here? No, we were talking right here. Okay. We should say that. Oh, dude. Bro, what happened? I didn't do anything. It was all Don't Chance. Hold it back there.
Don't hold it right there. Let me see.
Well, that was hilarious, guys. That was awesome. Yeah, body awesome. Body. That was hilarious. Okay, that's gonna be it. Little prank. I'm gonna do some here later. So catch you on the flip side. Hey guys, I'm on Razor. I'm gonna go get see if we can go to the park and see you then. She said yes, so when we get to the park, I'm gonna resume. Hey guys, we're at the park. There you go. We're gonna go up there. You coming? Hope y'all can see. I can't. He's gonna hurt himself.
It's so fucking hard.
Up here. Doesn't matter, it's not gonna kill you. Come on, hurry up, get up here.